We should perfectly circle legs.
Okay. I think Ethan can eat all that.
Yeah.
So I'll take my husband's.
That's called.
That's hilarious.
That's halal.
Why?
This has way too many meatballs.
Mine has a lot of shrimp.
Let me know if anybody wants a meatball.
Mine doesn't have that much steak. Kind of hilarious. I have. It's
Oh, spicy. This is like the true real meal though of the day.
Yeah, pork.
it's not a frog meal.
안녕하세요 여러분. 저희는 숙소에 왔습니다. 숙소 룸투어 한번 할게요. 제가 서 있는 여기가 지금 현관이고 여기는 그냥 무슨 보일러실 같은데 여기 들어가면 half bathroom이 여기 있고 kitchen, 다이닝룸 이렇게 있고 여기 세탁실까지 있고 1층에는 이렇게 리빙룸 그리고 뒷마당에는 저희 사용하는 프라이빗 조그만한 패디오가 있습니다. 그리고 그릴도 있어요. 다시 뒤로 해서 현관 쪽으로 가면 2층으로 올라가는 계단이 있고 What is this? Like a gate? 데코인가 봐요. 여기에 트윈 베드 2층에 화장실은 쉐어드 이렇게 세면대 2개 있고 텁 변기 그리고 이쪽에는 이제 마스터 베드룸 이렇게 있습니다. 아 여기가 제일 밝네. This is like the brightest room.
You can look out the pool's right there.
아 그리고 저기 작은 풀이 있습니다. 요렇게 아마 룸 투어는 끝인 것 같아요. 여기 뭐 하나 있긴 있는데 이 옷장 있고 오 look at there are a lot of books. 저희는 그러면 대강 짐 풀고 여기에 뭐가 필요한지 생각을 해서 장을 보고 아마 오늘 저녁은 그냥 좀 쉴 것 같아요. 생각보다 일찍 일어나고 하루 종일 공항에 있었더니 조금 피곤하네요. 굿모닝입니다 여러분. 아침에 첫 마라톤 장거리 롱런 갔다 왔고요. 6마일 뛰었습니다. 너무너무 힘들어요. 물론 처음 뛰어본 거리라서 힘든 게 있긴 한데 시카고는 제가 뛸 때 보통 아침 온도가 한 55도에서 65도 그 사이에서 왔다 갔다 하거든요. 근데 여기는 지금 아침에 나갈 때 79도였거든요. 지금 81도예요. 거기다가 습도가 엄청나서 여기 앞에 얇은 그 페이퍼 타올, 젖은 페이퍼 타올 앞에 하나 두고 뛰는 느낌이에요. 그래도 끝냈고 내일은 쉬는 날입니다. 이제 열심히 놀면 돼요.
That's jelly. Go ahead. No.
No.
Cracker. That's the perfect.
Oh, look at this biscuit. Okay.
Wow. Whoa, wow. Okay. What was it, grilled? I was thinking like this is gonna be the size of my biscuit. And then there's the rest of the biscuit.
비스킷 사이즈 보세요.
It is,
Massive.
it's massive.
The kids portions are good size though.
Yeah, I think that's
That's like a perfect size. I think if you get a sandwich here, it's actual like a big sandwich.
That is a golfing game.
Ooh. Yeah, my golf game on that is about as good as my regular golf game.
저희는 지금 숙소에서 가까이 걸어서 갈 수 있는 비치에 가고 있어요. 거기가 콜로니 비치인가? 그런데 힐튼헤드에서 아마 제일 유명한 비치인 것 같아요. 확실하지는 않습니다. 어쨌든 걸어서 0.3마일 정도만 가면 되기 때문에 걸어가고 있어요.
Turtles are in that area.
There's also alligators, so you shouldn't go closer, okay?
Very low.
So we could
I mean, it's all sand out there, right? Only sand.
See, look, I can fit it.
There's so much sand.
And I was thinking that tray.
That's the thing. If you're not used,
초고추장, oyster is 초고추장. I've never had it with horseradish and Tabasco. So we'll see. What kind of oyster is this? They should have seen Korean style oyster, which is super big. This looks like so little.
Was there pearl in there?
No pearl. It's good.
do you want one?
No. You can only have it when you're wanting water plus.
I would have expected them to truly suck it.
I know.
Shower.
That's not true.
Nada okay. Oh, was that like thick? Is it supposed to be this thick? It looks like a mashed potato.
Perfect. Thank you. Really?
I don't know grits that well, but
No.
this is like mashed potato, day old, refrigerated, reheated.
Because usually it's like kind of semi-flowing.
굿모닝입니다, 여러분. 저희는 걸어서 숙소 근처에 제가 가고 싶었던 뉴올리언즈 레스토랑이 있거든요. 거기가 아침, 점심, 저녁을 다 하는데 거기로 아침을 먹으러 갈 겁니다. 숙소가 지금 이틀 정도 됐는데 조금 아쉬운 부분이 없잖아 있긴 있어요. 그렇지만 위치는 진짜 좋은 것 같아요. 그래서 위치는 정말 만족을 하고 있습니다.
Now what's the
And apparently we're right
New Orleans.
It looks like snow.
It looks like snow. 밥 뜨거.
You reckon yours is in there? Does it taste like whatever what did you have? What was that at? Oh, these are warm.
We should go New Orleans.
What?
I don't remember where we
We're coming here before we live here.
were. Does it eat beignets? Does it eat beignets? I don't know.
Because they open at night too. Anybody want more powdered sugar? Although you guys look plenty.
Yours got substituted out. You usually see it with
Alright, I'm gonna like eat. That's a Creole omelet? What's in it? Why is it red? Is that egg? What am I
Egg
looking at?
with tomato. There's a shrimp and andouille sausage.
God.
Mmm. Mmm. This grits looks what? More like.
Close to.
Mmm.
Should
Oh
be
my gosh,
buttery.
this is so good.
It should be liquidy.
We ate
like
garbage
that.
yesterday.
Yeah, ours. What we had yesterday was like a pate. It's supposed to be like that,
Oh my gosh.
right? That's buttered.
We're doing what the
Oh.
Koreans do.
But no, this is what grits is supposed to taste like. Yeah, that's what it looks like because it moves.
That's what Koreans
Oh.
do. Like, that's so yummy.
This is so yummy.
Yeah, real grits.
Shrimp
are-
with grits. It's like it'll be kind of like this season with the
Just
top, and
sitting
you're
on
like,
top.
oh.
And then when you get it, you usually don't get like
And guess what? I can make my shrimp and grits. Mmm.
what we had yesterday. Usually a great combination.
Oh my gosh, this is so good.
You know, you're just eating butter.
I love butter, so it's okay.
That's primarily what I'm going to make it. But it should be like really soft, like it shouldn't be whatever we had yesterday.
This is my top restaurant so far.
I just need a big hat. I just need a big Korean ajumma hat.
Sun cap.
And a crazy purple pink flower polyester shirt. And flowing pants.
아일랜드에 있는 홀푸드에 가서 저녁거리를 사왔습니다. 거기에 로컬에서 키운 소가 있는 헌터 캐럴 컴퍼니에서 키운 그 고기가 거기 있더라고요. 그래서 로컬 고기 2덩이 스테이크를 사왔고, 그리고 약간 트러리스트 트랩 같은 걸 수도 있는데 요런 게 있더라고요. 찰스턴 골드 라이스. 이게 캐롤라이나 골드 라이스라고 아프리카 원산지 골드 라이스 품종인데 이제 미국으로 넘어와서 사우스 캐롤라이나 지방에서 많이 재배된 품종이라고 해요. 시카고에서는 못 봤던 것 같아요. 그래서 궁금해서. 그리고 요거 조금 백이 예쁘지 않습니까? 백 곧 스보니아가 될 것 같기도 해서 우선 요거 오늘 저녁 때 먹고, 또 요거 사오면서 귀향 먹는 김에 이렇게 커리 3개 요게 들고 와서 간단하게 뭐 비치 가기 전이나 먹으면 좋을 것 같아서 짜자는 김에 이것도 들고 왔고, 그리고 뭐 야채, 아스파라거스, 양파, 그리고 이제 칠리도 해 먹으려고 핫도그랑 그렇게 사왔습니다. 제가 오늘 아침에 그 그리츠 먹고 너무 맛있어가지고 이걸 사가야겠다. 이게 로컬 팜에서 만든 그 그리츠 품종 브랜드가 있더라고요. 근데 그걸 사고 싶어서 홀푸드에 갔는데 그 브랜드가 없더라고요. 그래서 우선 다른 그로서리도 몇 번 돌아보고 있으면 그 품종 사갈 거고, 없으면 그냥 다른 브랜드 거 사가고, 그게 아마존에 있더라고요. 그래서 나중에 만약에 못 구하게 된다면 아마존에서 구입을 하게 될 것 같습니다.
That one, the two-piece.
We're gonna have a very thick slice.
Yeah,
Yeah. 품종 이름이 골드라고 해서 전 약간 현미나 막 엄청 그럴 줄 알았거든요. 근데 생각보다 전혀 골드하지 않은데?
Looks pretty nice.
It looks kind of really closer to like Korean rice.
Kinda.
Maybe more. Here, Evelyn, that's good?
Yep.
You don't like the rice?
Alright.
I think it's much better than other brands of US normal rice. Long grain.
Just rice.
It's just rice.
I like this rice.
I like it though.
Yeah, I like that.
I think it's a little bit more nutty.
You gotta. Sure.
Oh, this kimchi. Oh, and then there is an ice cream store. Wow. This is yummy. There's a lot of those sundae cherries.
Oh, I'm gonna look like those. Maybe the shark attack combo.
Let's go in.
Do you want to try? It tastes like clam chowder, but it's like with crab chowder.
I went the full-blown.
Shack attack.
Their hush puppy is really, really crispy. It's so small. It's really yummy. You want to try it?
Yes, if you think.
So he was not bad. They didn't not
Yeah. We had trash a couple days ago.
Oh, Martin Prep.
I gave her some.
That's no more.
Oyster? Like,
Started to discover things here and there.
I'm gonna do also. Scallop? No? The fish is cooked right. Like this is blackened fish.
yeah, it's good.
What is that? Oh,
Fish.
Fish. Do you want to try fish? Here.